You'll feel relaxed the minute you walk into this 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 3rd-floor unit located on the beautiful Moorings Bay. Highlighting the amazing water view, you'll appreciate the open living area with plentiful sunlight, thanks to the wall of impact-resistant doors and windows. This renovated 1,160 square foot home boasts granite kitchen countertops, newer appliances, in-resident laundry, and a view of the bay from every room. Owners at La Maison enjoy a bayfront terrace and pool, outdoor grilling area, a recently renovated community and fitness room, and an on-site guest suite. La Maison features peaceful views and is located directly across the street from the Horizon Way beach access. This mid-rise complex has always been in high demand for its proximity to the bay, beach, and shopping. Enjoy wonderful shops and delicious food just a short walk away at the Venetian Village. Call me for more information on La Maison listings or any other properties in the Moorings or Park Shore.